Welcome to Integration Services series from ThinkPerfect. We wanted to take this opportunity to introduce how and the what's of how to integrate with Oracle Human Capital Management. In our first series, what we wanted to focus on was the core integrations that clients are generally looking for. Every client has a different requirement. Every IT team has some specific standards. How at ThinkPerfect we have successfully delivered over 48 deployments of these core integration points. We wanted to take this opportunity to showcase what these integration points are and how have we deployed them, and specifically focus on the tools and the platforms that we have used to deploy these integration points successfully. You no longer have to exchange data files only to fulfill your integration requirements. You now have the opportunity, using the right tools, the right deployment platforms, to integrate real-time HCM Cloud with over 100 vendors successfully in the marketplace. In this series, we'll be showcasing the 48 deployments that we have done just across three categories of integration services. Thank you. Feel free to reach out to us to learn more and hear about our success stories. Thank you, and hope this is helpful in demystifying what integrations are possible and how to deploy them. Talk to you soon. I'm sure all of you are aware of these facts as common implementation requirements in every project that we execute. Our objective here is to build awareness of what these integrations are and how requirements may vary. As an example, one client may want to review data before transmitting due to need of controls, versus another client who may want to have a no-touch secure FTP transmission of their data and look at control totals after transmissions. We have grouped the integration requirement into categories just merely to ease visualization for our audience here. All of you will be aware that there are a number of integration requirements when it comes to a human capital management solutions. However, for this series, we're focusing on the core integration as they are almost required in every implementation projects that we execute and are most often very essential to our clients and prospects when they're evaluating a human capital management solution, which is integrated and they want to take advantage of software as a service, which integrates not only to other cloud vendor products to seamlessly exchange data securely, eliminating any risk, or to their on-premise solutions. So let's take a look at this on what they are and what have we done. We are extremely delighted to say we have executed more than 3 integrations across these categories for a number of vendor products in the last 3 years of our implementation projects. These integration capabilities serve as a great learning, not just for our teams as they grow in skill and depth of their knowledge. It's extremely beneficial to our clients or prospects who are evaluating their journey either currently or in the future. They allow the clients and the prospects to understand the level of complexity what's possible, what has been done, what are the common limitations that may exist with these integrations. For this series, our focus will be across these three categories, as shown in the screen here: single sign-on, Active Directory related, financials or ERP systems related, payroll, benefits, or any outsourcing providers or third-party products. These categories often mitigate the highest amount of risk a customer often visualize, either at the start of their journey or prior to beginning of the journey or while they're planning their journey. These could be a combination of inbound, outbound, bidirectional integrations. However, our goal is to give a seamless experience across these categories and build the awareness what's possible and what have we done within these. As you take a look at our integration success boards, over 48 integration successfully deployed across these vendor products with HCM Cloud. Couple of facts: over 80% of these integrations are been deployed as real-time integrations, which doesn't require any file exchanges or manual intervention. To minimize cybersecurity risk, in addition to delivered SFTP security, at many occasions we have added additional layers of security. Naturally, integrating with Oracle native products like Oracle ERP Cloud with HCM Cloud is relatively of lower complexity than integrating other vendor products. However, each of these occurrences, when they have been deployed, has its own unique requirements, and we're happy to say our team is going strength to strength in not only understanding how to deploy them faster, in a much more secured way, and with an ability to forecast what issues may arise and how to mitigate them before even deploying them to your production environments. We look forward to sharing this with you shortly. Across our 48 successful deployments, we've used a combination of tools, programming languages, automation tools, and deployment platforms to successfully deploy these integrations. More importantly, it's the choice of the right tools, the right programming languages, and the right design that leads to selection of the right deployment platforms that are best suited to deploy these integrations. We'll be very happy to share this with you in further detail as you may require to further understand any of these vendor product integrations that you may be either inquiring about because you have deployed and you're having issues, or you are planning your journey to deploy them. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you on any of these integration points, and hope our awareness series has given you information to which vendors, which tools can be used. And if you'd like to call us to schedule or discuss with us in further deep dives, we would be happy to share further details on any of these integration points. Thank you and talk to you soon.